So welcome once again. In this tutorial we'll be building like a form. So basically इसमें हम एक फॉर्म बनाने वाले हैं in which we are going to enter things and it will be previewed on our web page. So basically हम यार कई जगह देखते हैं कि यार ये forms किस तरह से बनते हैं. So the people who don't know how form works, like backend language का कोई भी experience नहीं है and they are looking to learn PHP. कि यार basically PHP सीखना चाहते हैं यार ये web technology में PHP किस तरह से काम करती है. So this is the video for you. So what we are going to build. So let's just discuss that first. So basically we are going to build a form. So हम एक form बनाएंगे जिसके अंदर we'll take the name and the email address of the user, and then as soon as he enters and submit it, वो email और username it will display on the web page in the second page. So basically simple system होने वाला है, एक basic सा. So firstly we are going to create a form in HTML. So basically we'll save the file with PHP only, index.php. HTML के अंदर we'll just create a simple form which will be like HTML body, form, normal things, right? So let's just do that real quick. So firstly we are going to do like body and then inside that form. So form will have a method of post, and inside that we'll have just two things, name and email. So basically you can keep more fields if you want to, but I don't see any point. I'm just teaching you how things work. So I'm just going to take only two things, which are name and the email, and make sure you keep name attribute in this. It is mandatory because यार देखो बैकएंड लैंग्वेज जब कॉल करती है चीज़ों को वो नेम से ही कॉल करती है. इट कैन रिकग्नाइज ओनली यू बाय योर नेम. बेसिकली मान लो तुम लोग बाजार में गए हो, हाउ समबडी शाउट्स एट यू, ये तुमको कैसे बुलाएगा, नाम से ही बुलाएगा. इट कैन नॉट कॉल यू लाइक ह्यूमन. सो हम डायरेक्टली ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि इनपुट में से ले लो. वी नीड टू स्पेसिफाई अ नेम फॉर दैट इनपुट एंड फ्रॉम दैट नेम वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल इट, राइट? ओके, so done. Now we are going to create a welcome.php. I just gave it a random name like welcome.php. So basically welcome.php, in this one we'll be writing total PHP code. So it is just simple. We're going to create two HTML files as we usually do. Then inside that we are just going to write a welcome first. Firstly we'll just create a simple welcome like text, and then we'll write the PHP code. So the PHP code is written under this like greater than question mark PHP. Basically ये सब कुछ बहुत simple है. If you don't know this kind of things, then you can just go and watch my tutorial. I had created basics for PHP kind of tutorial. So in this one we'll be just calling out things. So how do you call things in PHP? Dollar underscore post, and then we specify the name. So in this one we had named it name, or just a second, we need to give it an action and a method, right? So method shall be post, बिकॉज हम पीछे वेलकम डॉट पी एच पी में हमने पोस्ट मेथड दिया है, तो इसमें भी पोस्ट मेथड देनी है. अगर उसमें गेट दी होती तो यहाँ गेट देते. सिंपल एज दैट. ऑल राइट, सो एक्शन विल बी वेलकम डॉट पी एच पी ऑब्वियसली. वेलकम डॉट पी एच पी. ऑल राइट, आई गॉट हाई फीवर यार. So name and email are two things that we have to take. So we'll just define that into square brackets, right? Square brackets, make sure you take square brackets, don't take like curly brackets or round brackets, it will throw an error. All right, so square brackets, you will just write the names. So the first one is name and the second one is email. So let's just define them. So let's just write that real quick. We'll say name, and then I'm just going to define a br tag over here. So br tag basically does what, it creates a break of a line. So just do that real quick. All right, now the exact same thing, dollar underscore post, email, and then the br tag. Simple as that, nothing complicated over here. बहुत simple सा tag है यार. So let's just we are done over here. So just keep it small e, right? Because index.php में small e है हमारे पास. So just make sure that you put the exact name and use dot, don't use comma. Dot is a concatenation operator, right? So echo so that it prints, like सिर्फ value ले नहीं उसको print भी करना है, so we need to write echo over here. So we're done. Now we can just open it up and see whether it works or not. So let's just see. Okay, right, Akshit, and inside the email I'll just say something random, and boom, it's done. G work exactly how we wanted it to be. चाहो तो इसको और डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो बूटस्ट्रैप का इस्तेमाल करके, बट बेसिकली दिस वाज ऑल ऑफ इट. So to your hard work, especially I don't feel like it.